She did not come from a background of fame, yet something about her was always quietly commanding. With a calm intensity, refined elegance, and a screen presence rooted in emotional control rather than excess, Aybüke Pusat didn't rush into Turkish entertainment. She built her place with intention, transforming opportunity into a career defined by discipline and steady growth. You're watching EvaDoc, and if you enjoy in-depth lifestyle and biography content about your favorite stars, make sure you subscribe to the channel and stay connected for more exclusive videos like this. Born on February 25, 1995, in Ankara, Turkey, Aybüke Pusat's journey began far from the fast-paced world of television stardom. Her early path was shaped by education, poise, and self-development. In 2014, she gained national attention after being crowned Miss Turkey, a milestone that introduced her to the public eye but did not define her limits. Rather than relying solely on that recognition, she chose to seriously study acting, laying a strong foundation before stepping fully into the industry. Her transition into acting marked a deliberate turning point. Early roles allowed her to understand camera language and emotional pacing, but it was her appearance in the historical epic Darius, Ertugrul as Hafsa Hatun that placed her in front of a massive audience. The role demanded restraint, subtlety, and strength, qualities that became central to her acting identity. Aybüke's career expanded further with modern dramas that tested her emotional range. Her performance as Bahar Kutlu in Saz revealed her ability to balance vulnerability with resilience in intense, character-driven storytelling. Later, she stepped into a lighter, contemporary tone with her Seversin, showing ease in romantic and urban narratives while maintaining authenticity. Rather than remaining within a single genre, Aybüke consciously diversified her choices. Projects such as Haler v. Hitler and her role as Neslihan Erdemsoy in Teşkilat reflected maturity and control, reinforcing her reputation as an actress who prioritizes substance over repetition. Each role marked progression, not reinvention for shock value, but evolution through depth. By 2026, Aybüke Pusat is regarded as a composed and dependable lead actress. Directors value her professionalism, audiences appreciate her sincerity, and critics recognize her ability to convey emotion through nuance rather than exaggeration. Her career reflects patience, balance, and a clear understanding of longevity in a competitive industry. Off-screen, her lifestyle mirrors the same restraint seen in her work. She maintains a low profile, focusing on health, mental clarity, and personal balance. Her presence feels intentional rather than constant, allowing her work to remain at the center of her public identity. Her fashion sense aligns with her personality, elegant, minimal, and confident. Aybüke is known for clean silhouettes and refined choices, moving effortlessly between red carpet sophistication and understated everyday style, always maintaining a sense of quiet authority. While public curiosity around her personal life exists, she remains selective about what she shares. She consistently redirects attention toward her craft, growth, and professional commitments. Within the industry, she is often described as focused, respectful, and deeply invested in understanding her characters. As of 2026, her estimated net worth reflects years of consistent work across television and brand collaborations. More than financial figures, she has built credibility through stability, discipline, and carefully chosen roles that strengthen her long-term position. What many viewers find compelling is her depth beyond visibility. Aybüke values self-awareness, emotional intelligence, and thoughtful storytelling, qualities that quietly shape her performances and set her apart in an era driven by speed and spectacle. Aybüke Pusat's journey is defined by control rather than noise. From beauty queen to serious actress, from historical drama to contemporary narratives, her rise reflects patience, intention, and quiet strength. As she continues forward in 2026, she stands as a symbol of composed, modern Turkish stardom, refined, grounded, and built to last. That's all for today's video. If you enjoyed this lifestyle feature, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to EvaDoc for more premium celebrity content. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one. She did not come from a background of fame, yet something about her presence was always quietly captivating. With a natural blend of emotional depth, elegance, and understated screen power, İlayda Alişan didn't rush into Turkish entertainment. She built her place step by step, shaping a career defined by substance rather than spectacle. You're watching EvaDoc, and if you enjoy in-depth lifestyle and biography content about your favorite stars, make sure you subscribe to the channel and stay connected for more exclusive videos like this. Born on February 26, 1996, in Istanbul, Turkey, İlayda Alişan's journey began far from instant recognition. From a young age, she showed a strong sensitivity towards storytelling and human emotion. Rather than chasing attention, she focused on learning the craft, taking early roles that allowed her to observe, adapt, and grow within the industry. Her transition into more visible television roles marked a steady rise. After appearing in several supporting characters, her performances in series like Supercar and Seversin began to attract attention. These roles revealed her ability to portray inner conflict with restraint, a quality that made her performances feel authentic and grounded. A major turning point arrived with Masumiyet, where she portrayed Ela Yüksel. The role demanded emotional endurance, vulnerability, and psychological realism, and İlayda delivered a performance that resonated deeply with audiences. This project firmly positioned her as an actress capable of carrying intense, emotionally driven narratives. Rather than limiting herself to heavy drama, she expanded her range with Seversin, showing a softer, romantic side while maintaining sincerity. She later returned to more socially grounded storytelling in Ateş Kızları, reinforcing her reputation as an actress who chooses depth and meaning over comfort and repetition. By 2026, İlayda Alişan is regarded as a reliable and evolving lead actress. Directors value her emotional intelligence, audiences connect with her realism, and critics note her consistent growth across genres. Her career reflects patience, intention, and a clear understanding of long-term relevance. Off-screen, her lifestyle remains calm and controlled. She avoids unnecessary visibility, focusing instead on balance, mental clarity, and personal growth. Her approach to fame is measured, allowing space for reflection and self-development alongside professional commitments. Her fashion sense mirrors her personality, elegant, minimal, and confident without excess. Whether at formal events or in everyday appearances, she carries a refined simplicity that feels natural rather than performative. While public curiosity around her personal life exists, she remains selective and private. She consistently redirects attention toward her work and creative journey. Within the industry, she is known as focused, thoughtful, and deeply committed to understanding her characters beyond surface level. As of 2026, her estimated net worth reflects steady success through television projects, endorsements, and brand collaborations. More importantly, she has built credibility and trust through consistent performances rather than fleeting popularity. What often surprises audiences is her depth beyond the screen. She values self-reflection, emotional awareness, and psychological realism, carefully choosing scripts that align with truth rather than trend. This mindset quietly defines the strength of her performances. İlayda Alişan's journey is shaped by progression, not repetition. From supporting roles to emotionally complex leads, her rise reflects discipline, patience, and intentional growth. As she moves forward in 2026, she stands as a symbol of modern Turkish stardom, grounded, evolving, and built to last. That's all for today's video. If you enjoyed this lifestyle feature, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to EvaDoc for more premium celebrity content. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.